Love and blessings to you. Greetings. I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. This topic is really kind of funny. How do I make my husband obsessed with me? But I like it. I like where it's heading, because the truth of the matter is he should be obsessed with you. But I don't mean with you like to the point of where he's hanging over you and da-da-da-da. He should be so in love with you. Now, he was at one point. When you first got together and he was courting you, there was nothing standing in between him and his love for you. What happened? Now, part of it is him, but part of it is you also. And these are the parts that you could change. Because, and by the way, please like this video. It really helps us. Please subscribe. Because what really happens is that love can be a regenerating thing. In other words, when you love him, he loves you because he feels your love. When you love him, he loves you because he feels your love. Did I already say that? But you know what I mean. Back and forth. And this is something that we have right from the beginning. But we get distracted by stuff. And most of that stuff is in our minds. And we lose focus of our love for our husband. And we get into things that are not so important. We complain to him. We criticize him. We may put him down for certain things. But what we don't do also is we don't smile at him anymore. We don't tell him how handsome he is. We don't tell him how much we love him. We don't go up and cuddle with him. We don't make nice dishes for him. And these are important things. And so if you do that, you will find that he comes around. Now, some of you may go, wait, I do all that stuff, but still he's not obsessed with me. Well, what's happening is you're working more on the outer instead of on the inner, because it's the inner that matters. The inner will naturally change into a very genuine expression of love when you're working on the inner. But if all you're doing is you're working on the outer stuff, then it won't work. Isn't that interesting? But it's true. You know, if we tell someone, oh, I love you with all my heart, love and soul, but we're standing on a stage as an actress, it's not going to work. Well, the greatest actors and actresses, it does work. But for us common folk, we need to make it sincere. And we can't make it sincere out here. We have to make it sincere in here, and then it manifests. So that's how you do it. Now go visit our website. See all that we have to offer, because it's really cool. Again, I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation, and I offer you my deepest and sincerest love and blessings. God bless you and take care.